Hi class 7. Today is 28th April and today I am going to do the exercises of the Govinda's disciple with you. Okay. So mm, please look at the page number 13 of your textbook. Today we shall do this one. Tick the correct options. Okay. So all of you have understood the poem and read the poem. So today I am going to tell you I am going to discuss with you the answers of this tick the correct options. So if you have solved by your own, then it's okay. Otherwise I am telling you the answers. So first question that is given here, first line, hills dark with the woods means the hills, number A, the hills look dark because of the thick forest. Number B, the hills have trees covered with dark moss. Number C, the forest on the hills has trees with green black leaves. So here the answer number A answer is, number one answer is A. That is the hills look dark because of the thick forest. Okay. So the question number one answer is number A. So tick mark A. Then number two. Scared with the torrents means, number A, the hills have cuts made by the flowing river. The hills are sacred because the Ganga flows below them. Number C, the hills have cuts on them because of the torrential rainfall. So the answer is number A. The hills have cuts made by the flowing river. Then number 3. Why did Govinda throw the golden bangles into the river? Number A. Because Govinda was a man, what would he do with bangles? Number B. Because Govinda did not like the gift. Number C. To make Raghunath understand the unimportance of wealth. So the answer is number C. That is to make Raghunath understand the unimportance of wealth. So tick mark number C. Now, number B exercise, that is answer these questions. I will give you the answer the question and answers in my next class. And today again I am going to explain you some more exercises. Okay. So let's see page number 14. Now here is one exercise. Before that I want to say you something. Page number 14, there is one exercise number E. Okay. Underline the parts of the sentence that use personification. Now many of you I think don't know what is personification. Let me tell you what is personification. What is personification? So when the writers or the authors, they try to uh, put any attribute of any living thing with a non-living object. Okay. So that is called personification. Like a non-living thing like a chair or a tree or any flowers, if they are given any adjective, they are put where, which is actually showing that it is a living being, then it is termed as personification. Like uh, golden daffodils, it is given in a book, that is a host of golden daffodils were dancing in the breeze. Now see here in this line, what is the meaning? The daffodils were dancing in the breeze. So we all know that daffodils means it is a flower. So a flower cannot dance. So dance, it is an action, or it is a this action of dancing, it can be only done by a human being. So this is a human attribute which is given to a non-living thing, that is a flower. So this is called personification. Then a tree is bending down. So this is also this is also a personification, because a tree cannot bend down like a human. Then then there are many such examples of personification you can get. So in this exercise, what you have to do is that which part of the sentence is showing that something is personified. Okay. Like here the first sentence, it is given, the river stole my book and carried it downstream. Now the river, so river is a non-living object or a non-living thing. So the river stole my book. How can a river steal? Okay, stole my book, this is a stole means the past tense of steal. So how can the river steal the book? So this is something personified. So here you have to underline the part of the sentence that use personification. So here, stole my book and carried it downstream. This is underlined because the river is doing some action, that is stealing of book and carried it downstream. Okay, so this action is personified. Then number 2, the sun played hide and seek with the clouds. So what is the personification here? Can you guess? So I'm telling the answer. Then the sun played hide and seek. Sun also, you don't know. You also know that the sun does not have any life. So it is not a human object. But hide and seek, you know that hide and seek, human beings only can play hide and seek. But here sun is playing hide and seek. So here sun is personified as a human being. So the sun played hide and seek with the clouds. So which part is personified? That part you have to underline. So you have to underline from played. Played hide and seek with the clouds. From played to till clouds you have to underline. This is the part of the sentence that is personified. Now the third sentence. The stars are dancing playfully in the clear sky. Here it is telling the stars are dancing. Stars cannot dance, but here it is telling stars are dancing playfully in the clear sky. So that means stars are personified. So what you have to underline? Dancing playfully in the clear sky. You have to underline that. Dancing playfully in the clear sky. Now the fourth sentence. The first rays of the morning sun tiptoed through the big glass window. Now the first rays of the morning is the subject here. Tiptoed through the big glass window means what is the meaning of tiptoed? Means when anyone is entering into the room very slowly. Okay. When pressing the toes on the floor when a person is entering inside the room very slowly without making any noise. That is called tiptoed. So the first rays of the morning sun tiptoed through the big glass window means slowly without making any noise. The first ray of the morning sun was entering through the big glass window. So that means the morning sun is personified here as a human being who is coming tiptoed. So you have to underline tiptoed through the big glass window. You have to underline tiptoed through the big glass window. Now the question number 5. The fire that was running wild was soon brought under control. The fire that was running wild was soon brought under control. So here also you have to underline which one. Here fire that was running. Now fire cannot run. Okay, this is also a human attribute which is given to fire. How can a fire run? So this is also personification. So you have to underline running wild was soon brought under control. The fire that was running wild was soon brought under control. You have to underline from running till control. Okay. Now students, you have to solve this one. This picture you can see. What words will you use to describe Govinda and his disciple Raghunath? Fill in the word way. There are 4 circles for each character. You can see clearly. One is Govinda's picture, another is Raghunath's picture. Which words do you want to describe this picture, this person or this personality? Okay. So whichever words you want, you think that it is appropriate to describe this persons, that words you should write over here. Okay. And in our next class, we shall continue with the grammar study which is given in this page number 14. So up to this, you have to go through whatever exercise is done and learn it at home. Okay. So students, bye. Thank you.